So after reviewing the footage from my GoPro for my first underwater demo, I realized that it was a complete fail. And after discussing it with a couple of people, decided to just kind of make a little gimmick out of it, just to show you that not everything is as it seems and there are failures in certain things. And I figured what perfect way to show that than my first underwater review be a complete fail. In the GoPro footage, you'll see that the GoPro is on one side and the bath bomb is on the other. And so it's kind of hard to see the effects of the bath bomb underwater since it's so far away. Also, this bath bomb took a really long time to dissolve. Out of all the bath bombs I've had, this one definitely took the longest. As I'm recording, I'm like, okay, we're still not done yet. So it was very, very interesting to see how long it takes. It was even more interesting to see how long it takes while filming. But that's part of this whole thing, is learning, and definitely part of it learning how far and how close to put my GoPro. So hopefully my next underwater review you see is a lot better. And again, I just wanted to share this failure with y'all. It was quite funny for me to see, excuse the dogs in the background. Really? Like I said, it was quite funny to see how awful this was, and it's not like I could just pull the bath bomb and restart, because one, I only had one of these, and two, I'm sitting here trying to film a video, and, you know, don't want to ruin that. So I hope y'all enjoy what you saw. That's all I can say. I really hope that the next one will be better, and you know, we learn from our mistakes. Again, I hope you enjoyed. Stick around for the next video. Bye, y'all.